What do we hope to find here?
The site of the largest Cybertronian battlefield in this galaxy.
On
Earth?
You must be
Joking! Do you recall the period late in the war, when both sides began hiding their energon spoils off-world?
Of course. It's the reason energon deposits exist on planets such as this one.
It is also the reason battles came to be waged on planets such as this one. And I fear Megatron's memory is as long as history.
For the first time in my life, Optimus, I had hoped that you were
Wrong.
Optimus! Been well? I see you brought your trusty watchdog. I was certain he'd be convalescing in a scrapyard by now.
Why don't you invite him down here for
Chat! I know why you're here, Megatron.
Hardly a surprise, Optimus! After all, you and I have been at this a long time, and your time has come to an end.